Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora, and if you're a subscriber to my channel, I just want to let you know thank you for subscribing. It does mean a lot to me. So as some of you all know, I was expecting a baby in June and I actually took some time off to have my baby. So as of right now, she is back taking a nap, and so I thought I'd go ahead and shoot a video for you guys today. So while I was at the hospital, I did receive a package of the Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette Accessoires that I was able to order because it finally came back in stock before I went into the hospital. So today we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing. We'll do some close-ups, some mod shots, and see what fits. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and open up the Multi Pochette Accessoires, and here is the envelope of my receipt and whatnot. And we are still currently in a pandemic, so again, the stores have been closed, including the Louis Vuitton stores. So I haven't been able to take a look at this at the store before obviously buying it. So this will be a nice surprise. Alrighty. Oh, they wrapped this up nicely. So here is the dust bag. Oh, and it comes in multiple different dust bags, which is nice. So when I go ahead and put it away, I can have it all separate. So the first bag that is in there comes with the coin purse. And this has the gold colored hardware. And the round zip coin purse measures at 3.54 inches in diameter. So you have the regular size monogram on one side, and then on the flip side you have the miniature monogram size. Then the gold colored hardware has a good zip to it, and it has a gusseted pocket in there. Alrighty. Okay, also inside the dust bag here is the strap. And this one I got obviously in the rose clair. It's a beautiful strap. You have the gold color hardware here, along on the other side. This D-ring right here is where the coin purse is going to be connected to. Then you have the clasp. That's also gold color. And then the vachetta along on the clasp. I'm excited to put this together. And then another dust bag. And this one right here is the mini pochette accessoire. Nice. And you have the regular size monogram on both sides. And on the edge here, along on the bottom, along onto the other side, you have the miniature version of the monogram. Then you have the gold colored hardware where the clasp right here and the zipper. And then inside there's a little booklet, and it comes with the gold colored chain. And then one more dust bag that's inside the larger dust bag, and this one right here is a pochette accessoire. And again, it also has the monogram regular size on both sides, and then the edge, the bottom, is the miniature size monogram. and the gold colored hardware also on the D-rings on the side and on the zipper. And inside it has that brown lining and a flat pocket in there. And then going over the dimensions to this, it says on the site this is 9.25 inches in length, 5.31 inches in height, and 1.57 inches in width. Along with the mini pochette, this one is 5 inches in length, 3.54 inches in height, and 0.78 inches in width. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this in and see what fits inside. So here I have the zippy coin purse, and this one right here I would actually put in my chapstick and my Vaseline lip therapy, which actually fits very nicely in here, and it zips it without a problem. I noticed that it bulges a little bit with the lip therapy Vaseline, so I'm not going to go ahead and put that in there. I'd rather just have that in a separate section. And then I'll take out the chapstick. But I will, just as a reference, I have a set of AirPods here, and this actually fits very nicely in the coin purse. As see, it fits nicely in there, and zipped up, it is actually not bulging that much, as you can see there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that on there. And then for the mini pochette, that's right here, I'm going to use a Jujube small set piece. If you've seen all my other videos, I like to put my smaller items in a small set piece, just so it's not in my purse or in my bag like this mini pochette. The smaller items are not just kind of free floating in there, and it's easier for me to access the items when they're in a small little piece like this. So it's all tucked in there, and it fits nicely in the mini pochette. I know it looks a little redundant, so I can use it without the little set piece, small set piece, or that small pouch in there, but I just like it in there so it's not just floating all around. But I'm sure I can add more stuff in there if I was just to take out all those smaller items and put in the mini pochette. But again, I don't want to ruin the lining or anything like that. At least this small pouch is washable, and if any stains get on there, I can just have it washed and not have to worry about my Louis Vuitton. So that zips up nicely. As for the larger piece right here, the pochette accessoire, this one has a slip pocket in there, if you can see that. A flat pocket, or flat pocket. This actually fits my iPhone 8 Plus with the case, and it slides in there nicely. However, with that being said, you can see an outline on the back of the pochette accessoire. It doesn't bother me very much, but just knowing that it is there, you'll see a line, outline of the phone. And since I didn't have that many small wallets, I do have the Iris compact wallet. I decided to actually just get a smaller zippy coin purse to put in this the pochette accessoire. And for this, you can actually have it going in this way, right side up, and you still have some space on top, about 1.5 inches or so on top, or you can even have it sideways where you have about 1/2 inch in there on top. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it the right side way. And then I have a set of keys that I'll just slip right down the side, and it zips up. It does bow a little bit on the zipper on the pochette accessoire, the larger piece, but it's not that bad. And there you go. It fits all my essentials, and if I wanted to add this chapstick, I can go ahead and just add that here in the mini pochette. There you go. Thank you for watching my video on the Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette Accessoire. I'd have to say I really do like this ensemble. What's great about this is that you can actually use these pieces all separately if needs so, if you don't want to have it put all together. I do really enjoy this strap. I love how thick it is, and how I love the color. And each piece, the multi pochette, like the mini pochette and the pochette accessoire, you can break it down and use it separately in other purses, and also along with the coin purse. For this strap also, what I like about it is you can use it on different pieces. I was actually planning to use this also on my Neo Noe in the Escal collection. I think it'd be really pretty. Granted, the hardware is a different color. This one's a gold colored hardware, and the Neo Noe on the Escal is a silver colored hardware, but you know, I still think it'll be very cute together. And you can actually fit a good amount in these pieces. I mean, just more so the essentials. I opted to get one of these since I'm going to be carrying a diaper bag most of the time. I'd like to have a small little purse, I guess you can say purse, to carry my essentials in while I carry the diaper bag. And you can also use this in multiple different ways. It's very versatile. You can use each piece separately and have it put together with the gold chain and the strap. There's so many different kind of ensembles you can have with these pieces. So I know I've seen some photos on the LV website that they're coming up with the graphite one, I believe, for the fall collection for men's. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys take care, and hopefully get to see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.